Hello dear students, once again I warm welcome into this wonderful session. Myself Nityanand Mishra. In this video session we are going to discuss the physics of class 10th. I have completed all topics of theory of lesson number 1. All of you know the lesson number 1 is electricity. In this chapter we studied about the total charge, quantization of charge, and Ohm's law, potential difference, combination of resistors, and electric energy, electric power, Joule's law of heating. All these topics are completed by me. The link of these topics are given in the description box. By that way you can see easily. So in this term we are going to discuss the numerical problems based on the combination of resistors. Based on the combination of resistors, as we know, when three resistances are connected in series, then the equivalent resistance R is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. In theoretical terms, we can say when three resistances are connected in series, series का मतलब क्या होता है? When resistances are connected end to end, then माने एक के end को दूसरे के end से connect कर दिया जाए, then the value of equivalent resistance is equal to the sum of these resistances. When we want to increase the equivalent resistance, then we join the resistances in a series. And in case of parallel, when two resistances or three resistances are connected in parallel, then the equivalent resistance, then the reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equal to the sum of reciprocal of individual resistances. In this case, the mathematical terms comes out 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So we are starting. First question is find the equivalent resistance of the given circuit. ये जो given circuit है इसका equivalent resistance आपको find करना है. In this case, this point is A and this point is B. When current is started from A, then at this point it is divided in three parts. Current three parts में divide हो जाएगी. That's mean and assemble on this point. That's mean all the resistances are connected in parallel. तो यहाँ पर हम write करेंगे the resistances are connected in parallel. So 1 by R, parallel में क्या होता है? 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. In this case, the value of R1 is 3 ohm, R2 is also 3 ohm, and R3 is also 3 ohm. Then you put this value 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 1 by R is equals to 3 by 3. That means R is equals to 1 ohm. इसका मतलब क्या है? इन 3 ओम के 3 रेजिस्टेंसेस को न लगा करके इसके प्लेस पे हम एक सिंगल रेजिस्टेंस को लगा सकते हैं 1 ओम का. काम हमारा वर्क डन हमारा जो होगा सर्किट में वो सेम होगा. I hope all of you get this question. Next question, find the equivalent resistance of the circuit. This circuit is given here and find the potential difference across AB. AB के across हमें क्या करना है? Potential difference find करना है. In this circuit, current is moving from here like this. इसमें गया पहले resistance पे जाएगा, पहले के बाद दूसरे में जाएगा. But in this case, current is divided. इस केस में करंट क्या होगा? डिवाइड होगा. बट इस पॉइंट पर करंट फिर असेंबल हो जाएगा. दैट्स मीन जो 2 ओम एंड 2 ओम resist resistance are connected in parallel. तो इस पैरेलल में इक्विवेलेंट 1 बाय R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. In this case, R1 is 2 ohm and R2 is also 2 ohm. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by 2. Cancel out. R is equals to 1 ohm आ गया. माने इन के प्लेस पे 2 ओम के प्लेस पे एक ही रेजिस्टेंस आप लगा सकते हैं और दैट इज इक्वल टू द 1 ओम. देन नाउ 1.5 ohm, 2.5 ohm and 1 ohm ये जो आया आपका are connected in series. Are connected in series. So equivalent resistance R is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. In this case, R1 is 1.5 ohm, R2 is 2.5 ohm and R3 is 1 ohm. हर केस में R1, R2, R3 क्या होगा वो चेंज हो जाएगा. So 1.5 plus 2.5 plus 1 R is equals to ये आपका 3 2 3 4 1 5 ohm हो जाएगा. 5 ohm. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इसी में कह रहा है कि फाइंड द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. फाइंड द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस ए बी. तो यहां पे राइट करते हैं पी डी अक्रॉस ए बी इज इक्वल टू potential difference is denoted by V. V is equals to I into R. Here the value of I is given. In this figure I is given 1 ampere. तो वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. I is 1, R is 5. Then it comes out 5 volt. 5 volt. Potential across A and B. Potential across A and B is 5 volt. And now next question is, in this circuit shown below, find the 5 terms find करने हैं. Equivalent resistance of circuit. First term है equivalent resistance of circuit. नोट करते हैं पहले कैसे फाइंड करेंगे. इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ सर्किट. इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ सर्किट देखिए यहां पर 8 वोल्ट की बैटरी है. करंट ऐसे जाएगा एबीसी के थ्रू पास करेगा फिर सीडी के थ्रू पास करेगा. तो एबी का जो रेजिस्टेंस है वो क्या है, दैट इज 4 ओम. इन केस ऑफ सीडी देयर आर द 2 रेजिस्टेंसेस कनेक्टेड. यहां पर इस पॉइंट पर क्या होगा, हियर करंट इज डिवाइडेड इन बोथ आर्म्स एंड आल्सो असेंबल ऑन दैट पॉइंट. इस पॉइंट पर करंट असेंबल हो जाएगा, इस पर डिवाइड हो जाएगा. तो व्हेन करंट इज डिवाइडेड दैट रीजन इज पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. दैट्स मीन दिस आर्म एंड दिस आर्म आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. तो सबसे पहले हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे कि 8 ओम एंड 8 ओम रेजिस्टेंस आर कनेक्टेड in parallel, so पैरेलल में जो इक्विवेलेंट 1 by R1, R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. In this case, R1 is 8 ohm and R2 is also 8 ohm. So putting the value 1 by 8, 1 by 8 that is equals to 2 by 8. Cancel out. माने क्या हुआ? This implies that 1 by R is 1 by 4. That's mean R is 4. अब ये जो सर्किट है इसमें क्या है? Across the AB there are only one resistance previously given 4 ohm, and in this case CD there are also a resistance which is equivalent of 4 ohm. That's mean 4 ohm and 4 ohm resistances are in series. अब सीरीज में यहां पर R1 की वैल्यू 4 ohm हो गई and R2 is also 4 ohm. So equivalent R is equals to R1 plus R2, that is 4 plus 4, that is 8 ohm. ये आपका R इक्विवेलेंट आ गया टोटल सर्किट का 8 ohm. इस सर्किट का जो इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस है, दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट पार्ट. R equivalent is of circuit is 8 ohm. Now next topic is reading of ammeter. Reading of ammeter. इसको हम इरेज करते हैं स्पेस की वजह से. ये आपका फर्स्ट पार्ट हो गया. Now second part is reading of ammeter. Reading of ammeter. Second part is reading of ammeter. Reading of ammeter, that's the value of current. Ammeter क्या मेजर करता है? करंट. तो करंट की वैल्यू, करंट I is equals to V by R. In this case, V is 8 volt and R is, meaning of R is R equivalent, and R equivalent is 8 ohm. When you put this value, then the value of current comes out 1 ampere. 1 ampere. This is the answer of the second part. And third part, potential difference across AB. AB के क्रॉस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. यू नो हेयर इज AB. AB हेयर इज AB. कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? यहां पे दिस पॉइंट इज B. Look here everyone. VAB is equals to RAB. I into RAB. मतलब AB की बात कर रहे हैं. We are discussing about the AB. तो AB के बीच में अकॉर्डिंग जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा वो क्या होगा? AB में पास आउट जो करंट होगी और AB का जो इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस है, the value is 1 into 4, that is 4 ohm. That is 4 ohm. And the fourth part is also across the potential CD. Fourth part. तो VCD की वैल्यू हम फाइंड करेंगे. VCD is equals to I into RCD. I मतलब the passing current across the CD. ये जो आपका CD है, यहां से C स्टार्ट होकर यहां पे एंड हो रहा है, ये पॉइंट्स हैं. तो CD के अक्रॉस जो आपका करंट है, द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट इज 1 एंड RCD माने इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस across C and D is also 4. So this is 4 ohm. This is 4 ohm. And the fifth part is related to the power. Fifth part says power dissipated in 4 ohm. Power dissipated in 4 ohm. Power dissipate होने का मतलब क्या है? The consumed power in 4 ohm resistor. 4 ohm resistor का मतलब this resistor is 4 ohm. यहाँ पर there are only one resistance having 4 ohm resistance given here. So you know P is equals to VI. So V means potential difference across AB. AB के across potential difference क्या है आपका 4 है, and I is equals to the current passing in this across AB is 1. So power is 4 and the unit of power is watt. So P is equals to 4 watt. Power is equals to power dissipated in this section of the circuit is 4 watt. I hope all of you get these questions very properly. So revise these questions at least 2 times and always stay with my YouTube channel, and I will provide the continuous video of the numerical problems. Then I will start the next lesson, magnetism. So please like this video, share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel Daksh Tutorials. Thanks.